Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture we're gonna look at the tool delete face. In this tool we can delete one face or two or more faces. So we have this surface here. As we see, we have two surface bodies. Body 1 and here body 2. Now let's go to surfaces. Let's choose here a tool delete face. In this tab, we have to select the face or faces. So for example, we want to delete this face here. We can just simply click here. And here under options, we have a checked delete. And let's click OK. And this is our result, as we see. We can go back, edit. We can also click on this face. And now we have two faces that we will delete. Let's click OK. So this also works. Now let's go back, edit. Let's delete face 2. And now let's choose this face. Because this face and this face are not connected. Now let's try to see if this is possible. Let's click OK. And we see this is also possible. So the faces doesn't have to be in contact. Now let's go back to delete, edit feature. Now let's clear here. And now let's choose this face. But now we will change our under options. We won't use delete. We will use delete and patch. Let's click here. And down here we have show preview. So let's check this. Now we can see the preview what's gonna happen. So with delete and patch, Solidworks will delete this face. And then we'll extend this, and two edges on the other side until they meet at this point. And then we'll add material as we now see in the preview. So let's click OK. And this is our result. So if we go here to section view, we see that we don't have this face. This has been deleted. So these are the result of delete and patch. Let's go back. Let's go to edit feature. And here we have the third option. And this is delete and fill. So let's click on this one. And let's uncheck tangent fill. Now what's gonna happen? Solidworks will delete this face. And then we'll use those edges that are left to fill this emptiness. Let's click OK, and let's see what's gonna happen. And we see that from outside, nothing happens. And from the inside, also nothing happened. So we got the same result. So if we go to section view, we got the same. So let's exit. And let's go back. Edit feature. But here, under delete and fill, we have another option, and that is tangent fill. So what's gonna happen now? So Solidworks will delete this face, and then we'll create here a surface that will be tangent to those edges here. Let's click and see what's gonna happen, and let's click OK. So we got this result. Now we see this face is tangent to the surface here. Now, if we go to section view, we see this is still the surface. Let's exit. So this is how we can delete face and faces on our surface body. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.